Hi, this year one of the earliest brands to announce the Advent calendar was Liberty, and every year they do an absolutely high-end luxury Advent calendar that sells out extremely quickly. This year the price is £215, and this year the contents are supposedly worth £789. The waitlist for the Advent calendar is open and linked in the description box below. They ship worldwide apparently. I'm not sure if shipping restrictions apply, particularly with regard to perfume contents. There are 19 full-size products in this Advent calendar, claims Liberty. We're going to see if all that is true. And Liberty says that this is their most generous lineup till date. And the packaging, like, pretty much all the Liberty Advent calendars before this, has that iconic stand-in print of Liberty's on a recyclable box. It is a drawer type Advent calendar, so it is, you can reuse the packaging. So because I want to tell you the price breakdown, and because we're going to see how many products are indeed full size, 19 says Liberty, let's, get on with it. Now, the first product is the Votary Super Seed Serum, 50 ml, full size. Absolutely true, this is indeed full size, and it retails at £75. So if you are going to be interested in this Advent calendar, and if you are going to use this product, please write down 75 so that you can total this along with me. The next product is Vilhelm Parfumerie Dear Polly EDP 10 ml. Full size is 100 ml and retails at £185. Not going to count 10 ml. So the next product is Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream, 15 ml. Liberty calls this full-sized. Now here's the thing, 50 ml is actually full-sized, and they themselves sell two other sizes, a discovery size that is 15 ml and a travel size 30 ml. So this 15 ml is the smallest size that they have. It's a discovery size. They also have a travel size at 30 ml. Full size is 50 ml. So if you want, right, I'm going to leave this to you. If you want, you can count £65 that the discovery size of 50 ml of the Rich Cream retails for. This is not full size. It is the discovery size that Augustinus Bader does retail for at £65. So if you are counting this, the first full-size product, the Votary Super Seed Serum, and this, the Augustinus Bader Discovery Size Rich Cream, together come up to £140 already, right? The next product is Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. Again, Liberty's website calls this full-sized at 30 ml. Now, full size is 150 ml, right, which retails for £39. This 30 ml sample does retail at £12. It does retail, but this isn't full size. I don't think you should call it full size when you have a 150. That's not super size, that's a regular size. I don't know, I hope I'm making myself quite clear. I mean, I don't want to sound like an absolute nitpicky, nasty person. The aim of these videos is to help you make an informed decision, because brands are obviously going to tell you that everything is full-sized and so amazing, and we're giving you products worth 10,000 quid for just 10 quid. Brands are obviously going to tell you that, and it is so easy to get carried away by what I call beauty box fever or Advent calendar fever, particularly because of how horrible this year has been for all of us. And fall for that hype and just buy, and suddenly around New Year you find that, oh my god, I spent so much. Yeah, that's not how it should be. The purpose of these videos is so that you lot realize that when a brand says something is full-sized, there is 150 ml, or there is a proper full-size product out there. There are discovery sizes that brands themselves produce, market, and retail. Those are not full sizes. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Please don't troll me, I've had a horrible year. My granddad is quite ill with all sorts of things, The next product is the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dragon Girl. Full size retails at £22. But this is not full size, otherwise Liberty would have claimed so on their website. Sorry, the sun's playing games. You might have to forgive changes in the lighting. The next product, however, is indeed full size. It is the Margaret Dubs Nourishing Nail and Cuticle Serum Pen, 15 ml, full size, that's what you're getting. £12 is the sale price. The next product, Liberty claims, again, is full-sized. It is from Badescu. It is the Witch Hazel and Rosewater toner. So this calendar includes a 59 ml bottle, which Liberty calls full-sized, on their website. Full size is actually 236 mils, which retails at 12 quid. I'm just going to stop there and move on to the next product. Susanne Kaufmann Herbal Whey Bath, 40 grams. Full size is 300 grams, retailing for 33 quid, not counting that. Bamford Geranium Hand and Body Wash, 100 mils is next, but that is not full size either. Full size is 250 mils, retailing at £24. On the other hand, Dr. Sebok's Serum Repair 20 mils is indeed full-sized, not travel, not discovery, not anything. They have a super size out there, but this is, the proper serum that you get for £69. So the first four products, the Votary Serum, the Augustinus Beta Rich Cream, the Margaret Dabs Nourishing Serum, and the Dr. Sebok Repair, together those come to, £221. And with those four products, you already crossed the value of this Advent calendar, the cost of this Advent calendar, which I think is bloody brilliant. So you don't have to go out of your way to call all these, 20 mil and 10 mil samples full size. You don't have to do that, because without all that itself, with just four products, this calendar has already crossed its price point, right? And we're still at product number 10. There are still another 15 products to go. Calm down. This calendar is going to be worth a lot of money. They don't have to claim, that all sorts of things are full-sized. Right, the next product is going to blow you away. It is the QMS Medi-Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. It is a serum. 15 mils is what you get. And 15 mils is indeed full-sized. And it retails for, hold your breath, £155. See, this is an amazing advert. £155 for this QMS Medi-Cosmetics lip serum, and now we have £376 worth products, worth 5 full-size products, and we're only in draw number 11. Just imagine. The next product is from Herbal. It is a Prism, 20% AHA, 5% BHA, exfoliating glow facial, 15 mils. Again, Liberty tells us that this is full-sized. It's not. 15 mils is full-sized and it retails at £33. This is not full-sized, people. However, the next product is indeed full-sized. It's from Ren. It is the Vita Mineral Active 7 Eye Gel 15 and it retails at £25. And now we have £401 already in this Advent calendar. The next product is also full-sized. Hourglass Catted Light Eyeshadow. They haven't specified the exact shade, full-sized. 3.5 grams of product, retailing at £28, bringing the total to £429, and you're paying £215. And we are not even on draw 15 yet. Draw 15 contains the Davines Nourishing Shampoo, 100 mils. Liberty claims that this is full size. It is not. Full size is 250 mils, retailing at £18. Number 16 is the Aromatherapy Associates Forest Therapy Bath and Shower Oil, 9 mils. Again, Liberty claims that this is full size. It's not. Full size is 55 mils, retailing at £47. This is 9 mils. 9 mils does retail at £11. Keep that in mind. 9 mils does retail at £11. I'm not saying it doesn't. However, full size, that's not full size, that's discovery size. Yeah. The next product is Decree Light Cleanse, 30 mils. Full size is 100 mils and retails at £44. The next is Space Mask Single Eye Mask. This is a heating eye mask that you wear overnight and wake up with less tired eyes. This is another full-size product. A single eye mask retails for £3. That brings our total to £432. The next is Liberty's Small Strawberry Thief Wash Bag. £20 is the retail price, bringing our total to £452. The next product is Ven Age Reversing All-in-One Concentrate, 20 mils. Full size is 50 mils, retailing at £155. Not going to count that. And then you've got Diptyque, a mini scented candle base, berries, 70 grams, retailing at £27. 70 grams, I mean, you get because of candle sizes, but these do retail at 27 quid, so yeah, might as well count that. Then you have the Sol de Janeiro, yes, the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. 75 mils retails at £18. 240 mils retails at £44. You get in the Advent calendar 15 mils, not going to count that. And then you've got Malin & Goods Meadow Foam Balm, 30 mils. Full size is 131, retailing at 38. And here I have another problem with the next product because it is a noble oil, no, not rhubarb, thankfully. Fireside body lotion 15 mils, Fireside shower bath and shower gel 50 mils. Liberty claims that this is full-sized. It's not, because full size is 250 mils, not 50 mils. 50 mils of Noble Light shower gel is not full-sized. 250 mils is. And 250 mils of the body lotion retails for 26 quid, and 250 mils of the shower gel retails at 21 quid. So I'm not going to count these 50 quid samples. No. The next product is Aveda Botanical Repair Leave-In Treatment, 25 mils. Again, Liberty says this is full-sized. It's not, because I was able to find only 100 mil tubes of this at full size. 25 quid is 400 mils. 25 mils, 5 quid. Not more than 5 quid anyway, even if they do retail that. The next product, however, is indeed full size. It is the Le Labo Santal EDP 15 mils, and that retails for £57. This product retails at 15 mils, 50 mils, and 100 mils. Right, 100 mils is £184. Obviously, they're not going to include that. And, 100 mils of perfume in an advent calendar drawer is begging for a spillage and breakage. 50 mils retails for £127 and 15 mils retails for £57. So, counting the Le Labo, we are at £509. Now, if we add the diptyque candle, that's £536. I left that out, sorry. Forgot to add that, so £536. The Aromatherapy Associates, let's add that 11. £547. The Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, 12 quid, £559. Now, counting just the full sizes, right up to the Liberty wash bag, without counting the diptyque candle, without counting the Le Labo perfume, we get £452. Counting those two and all of the other, retail size prices, including Aromatherapy Associates for 11 quid, you get, and the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, you get £559. Either way, full sizes alone, 452 quid, you pay 215. Not just full sizes, all the standalone retail prices, 559 quid. Amazing, amazing value for this advent calendar, and I love that there are some incredibly high products in here. My only issue is that they don't have to claim that 19 of these are full-sized. I will write all of these, including sizes, in the description box below, including what I know of the actual full sizes, so you can confirm, cross-check for yourself. And if you do find that I'm wrong, please do tell me, and I will be happy to put in a correcting note at the top of the description box and as a comment, pinned comment. Don't get me wrong, I think this advent calendar is amazing value for money. And if you do use these products, you're getting a huge, huge steal here. And that one serum, lip line corrector, 155 quid. High-end, very, very high-end. I haven't used these products. So overall thoughts, I think this is an absolutely fantastic advent calendar. The products are amazing and the total value is right up there. More than double, just the full sizes alone, more than double the cost of the advent calendar. Huge bargain to be had. Just don't follow the claims, but do your own research. Don't ignore the claims. That's all that I'm saying. It's a great calendar. So what about me? Will I be buying this advent calendar? Possibly not. Most probably not. First of all, I'm not in the space mentally to buy any advent calendar right now. This, I hope, will change very soon, particularly, with more announcements coming shortly. As of now, with my granddad's illness and everything else that's been going on this year, I'm looking at all of these and thinking, yeah, whatever. That's honestly what I am thinking, whatever. I find that some of these products, the key products, are not, up my alley right now. I don't think I can incorporate a lot of these into my skincare routine right now. Because right now my skincare routine is in a very happy place. I've got my peptide serum, I've got my hyaluronic acid going, I've got my niacinamide going, I've got my retinol and acid going, I've got my vitamin C going. So I don't think I will be able to incorporate most of these into my skincare routine. So what are your thoughts on this advent calendar? Do you agree that it is great value for money? Will you be buying it? Do tell me that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.